Um, Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My complete and full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. I was sitting. Umuupo. By the way, my next Bangko Filipino related video is more on this is very important, awareness. Not necessarily controversial, although a lot of people doesn't know. Some of them doesn't know. But I think the main office of Bangko Filipino at that time, before the second closure, was applying that time as Universal Bank. Yes, Universal Bank. I was that time I was so shocked. By the way, the reason why I mentioned this topic because majority of us are not aware of this. By the way, to give you a little feedback, by the way, this dialect will be English and Tagalog para maintindihan niyo. Pag sinabing Universal Bank, kung mag-a-apply sila, kasi sa Philippine law, Philippine Banking Law, kung mag-a-apply sila ng Universal Bank, kasi savings bank sila, ang certain capital requirement is at least 2 billion pesos. First category. Ang second is 5 billion, 5 to 10. Yan ang second category. Second category. Ang third category, yung pinaka-maximum na is 15 billion piso pataas. So, in their case, kasi kung hindi ako magkakamali, more than 8.4 billion. So, qualified sila. So, in their case, there's nothing wrong sa pag-apply. Nagka-abirya lang sila yung sa 25 billion loan package. Kaya, ayun, nagkaroon ng misunderstanding. Kasi kung nagkaroon ng misunderstanding, talagang mauuwi sa closure ang bangko. Kaya nagkaganyan sila. Pero kung titingnan ko ang kanilang financial portfolio, okay naman ang assets. Hindi naman mataas ang liability. Kasi ang pinalabas nila, mataas ang liability kaysa assets. Yun ang nangyari. So, yun ang hindi na publish sa newspaper that time. So, we must be aware. By the way, sa legal team ng Bangko Pilipino, isulat nyo ha, they are applying for Universal Bank that time. Okay? So, para at least aware tayo lahat. Kasi kung Universal Bank, ibang kategory yan. Ang alam namin is Savings Bank category. Kasi kung mag-operate ka ng bangko, maraming kategory yan. Savings Bank, Commercial Bank, Universal Bank, iba ang Rural Bank. By the way, Rural Bank tsaka Trip Bank pala magkaibang kategory. Ang sa Rural Bank, alam ko yata is at least 200 million ang assets. Iba yung capital. So, ibang category. So, yun. I hope you catch up this idea, itong video na ito. At least, nasabi ko na ang important part. We must be aware of this. We did not know about this. Okay? Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.